Alright everybody, I'm Nat, and today I have something rather interesting for you. I am currently using my hand to levitate this sapling, because it's a magical tree. Actually, no, this is the magical part. Anyway, I have magical trees, and the way they are done is using this thing. Looks like a stick, but it's not. It's a wand, and it's magical. And so, what we can do, I have a number of different plots set up. That one should probably be a little farther away. But anyway, if I put down an oak sapling, and I hold my wand, and I run at it, it will create a magical tree. So this is the magical oak tree. This is the withered oak tree. It's got all sorts of, different cobwebs, and it's all funny shaped. And so that's essentially the extent of the interestingness of the magical oak tree. Then, if we do the magical spruce tree, let's put that one here, and let's. The only reason you have to run at it is because it traps you inside the blocks, so you'll want to be going. You'll want to be going fast. It's essentially a Christmas tree. Since this is a different chunk, this is having a rather hard time loading. But if I were to relog right now, actually I think I'll do that. There we go. Now it's there. Since it was a different chunk portion, the world was having a little bit of a difficult time loading it. So as soon as you relog, it's there. It's essentially a Christmas tree, and it's got all sorts of snow on it, and some nice stained glass panes. Then, if we do the jungle sapling, this one is a little bit trickier. Sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties should be through now. If we run at this tree, and there we go. This is a slightly sad rendition of those trees that you sometimes see in like tropical areas with all the roots hanging down. Anyway, that's the magical jungle tree, and I think I have, yeah. For the last one, because all those I put them way too close together, let's put the acacia tree right here. Technical difficulties again. I'm smart. Anyway, here's the last one, and there you have it. One of these humongous, like, acacia tree, umbrella-looking things. That's what I was trying to go for here. Obviously, I'm not the greatest builder. You can quite clearly see that. But anyway, let's take a look at how it works. So obviously, they're all just down here. These orange wool blocks represent about where it takes each coordinate. Why did this decay? Whatever, I don't care. These orange wool blocks, basically, it takes a coordinate here, and it takes a coordinate here to determine where the tree is for each of these. And essentially, what it does is, as long as you're holding a wand in your hand, I'm sure you've seen this before, as long as it matches. So if I hold a wand in slot 1, that'll turn on. If I hold a wand in slot 7, 8, 9, if I hold a wand in slot 8, that'll turn on. Anywhere I'm holding a wand, one of these will turn on, and so it's a good way of ascertaining, whether they were holding a wand at all. And as long as it's turned on, it will start this clock running. And as soon as it turns off, this clock will stop running. And it just does that by a number of set block commands designed to either kickstart this clock or block it. Anyway, as long as this clock is running, which it isn't right now because I'm not holding the wand, but as soon as I do hold the wand, blah 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 blah. As long as this clock is running, it uses the new detect feature. It executes at the nearest player as long as the block at their location, at their feet, is a sapling with a data value of 0, it does the clone command to clone in the magical tree. And here's the same one, only with different coordinates for a different tree, and with a data value of 1. So that corresponds to oak, and then spruce, and then jungle, and then acacia. So, very simple concept. Hope you all enjoyed it. That's essentially how it works. If you like this video, do please give a like. That would be absolutely amazing. If you didn't like it, you have a right to leave a dislike, but please leave a comment saying why. That's about it. Beware the creeper, respect the cows, bestow you to benevolence, as I have just said, and I will see you all later. Take care.